Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at a product that has been taking the cleaning world by storm. Stardrops, the pink stuff. This miracle all-purpose floor cleaner is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their home sparkling clean. With its powerful formula, the pink stuff effortlessly removes grease and grime from all types of floors, leaving behind a brilliant shine and a long-lasting freshness. And the best part? You don't even need to rinse it off, making cleaning a breeze. This pack of two 67.6 FL ounces bottles gives you an all-around solution for your entire home, making it a must-have for any household. Whether you're tackling tough stains in the kitchen or giving your bathroom floors a makeover, the pink stuff has got you covered. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on Stardrops, the pink stuff today. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this incredible cleaning solution. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.